What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's new grips for the Ducati Panigale, $8.99, and I figured I'd make a short video just to show you how to do it yourself. It's pretty easy. Pop the old ones off, slide these new ones back on with some compressed air, but I'm going to show you how to do it step by step so you can do it yourself at home. Step one, got to pull these bar ends off. These are on extremely tight from the factory. I was trying before, even with the breaker bar, had a real hard time, but couldn't get it, so I'm going to end up using my impact here. The end here takes a 12mm Allen key, just a 6-point Allen key. It doesn't look like it. If you look in there, it looks like a star bit, but it actually takes an Allen key. So get a 12mm Allen key and either a big breaker bar or an impact gun like I've got. And there you go. That has a lot of threads there. And you saw it even took a lot of work with the impact. So without the impact, you're gonna need a pretty good breaker bar to break that loose. And go over and do the same on the other side. Over on the other side of the bike, just gonna do the same thing. All right, get the bar end off so we can remove these old ones. I prefer just to cut them myself, since they're going in the trash anyway. One. Back on the other side of the bike with a knife to make this a little bit easier. Cut it up like that. Slide that one off. Like with everything, before I put new parts on, I like to clean everything that I'm going to be mounting to. I'm just using paper towel and rubbing alcohol to get that nice and clean. Now, I'm going to show you both methods to installing these. We can either use compressed air to essentially blow the grip on, or we can use some rubbing alcohol to slide it on. I'm going to use rubbing alcohol on this side to show you that one, and I'll use compressed air on the other side. But first, make sure you grab the right one. If you haven't been around motorcycles long, you'll probably not know that when you order a set of grips, the inside diameter is a little bit bigger on one than the other. The bigger one goes on the throttle side, so it can slip over that throttle sleeve. So make sure you grab the smaller one, smaller grip for the left-hand side. Spray some rubbing alcohol all inside and on the bar. And then I keep the palm of my hand over the back of the grip. It helps compress some air in there and help slide it over. Once you've got it on there, you're going to want to line up any load that you want and let that rubbing alcohol evaporate out from underneath there. Won't take very long, but as it evaporates, this is going to get locked on really well. All right, so now over onto the throttle side of the bike. We're going to take our remaining grip. This time I'm going to use compressed air to slide this on. This one's going to be a little bit tighter, especially on this bike because there's a little bit of a lip on the end of the throttle tube there. Let's see. Gotta work this over that lip. And if you get this compressed air nozzle right up under the edge there and pinch off the backside. grip. So as you're blowing the air in there, just gonna keep working this one over the edge here. Like I said, this one's a little tighter. It's because of that throttle tube there. Almost got it. Okay. So once we get past this lip here with the from the throttle tube, we've got this on the right spot. Check, make sure you got free rotation there. I do need to rotate this so I can get my logos lined up. Just blowing some air underneath it is going to allow you to rotate it. Pretty good there. Again, check that your throttle's not hanging up. With the new grips on, we can just reinstall our bar ends here. Just like that. Both sides. So that's it. If you're just doing street riding, you're probably gonna be just fine with having these grips on here just like they are. They will, as soon as this rubbing alcohol dries out, this is gonna be stuck on here pretty good. The other side's already on there really good on the throttle side, no issues there. I do like to do one extra step, putting some safety wire on the grips. Helps keep water from getting underneath the grip and then letting them rotate. I've had that happen to me before and it's not a fun situation. So I just like to tie wire them. I put 2 pieces of tie wire, safety wire on each grip, and I'll show you how I do that real quick. But this is just an optional step if you want either the extra peace of mind or if you're out on the track, just want some extra security as well. If you're going to take this extra step and safety wire your grips on like I'm going to, I highly suggest getting one of these cheap safety wire tools. Measure out a quick little piece. The way these twist safety wire pliers work is you lock them on to both ends of the safety wire that you want to twist together. Just like that. So all I'm going to do is pull down on this, and it's going to allow these pliers to spin in place. As they spin, they're tightening that wire up around the grip. I'm looking at it, it looks pretty good here. more. And then we're left with this tied end here. All right, so last step is we're gonna snip this off of here. I leave just a little, probably 3 twists, 3 or 4 twists of that safety wire there. And then I'm gonna use the pliers to fold that loose end up onto itself, and then I push it into the rubber of the grip, so that now I run my finger over that. I'm not feeling the edge of it at all, so I'm not at any risk of catching some skin on that and cutting myself. So I'm going to do this to all both grips, 2 on each side, and then we'll be done. All right, so just like that, we have got the new grips installed on the Panigale, safety wired and everything, and ready to go.
You guys know the drill. If you like this video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and to see more content like this in the near future. Thanks for watching.